Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we'll be looking at Seekcoin, how my ecosystem is going and growing. The new decentralized DeFi crypto coin that pays you real-time dividends directly to your wallet just for holding it. And it's still in pre-sale. So make sure you get the opportunity. As you can see, the price is currently 5 cents. Buy now before the price increases to 6 cents in stage 5. It's in pre-sale stages and the stages are coming along fast, so don't waste time. By holding Seekcoin in your wallet, you will earn dividends from each transaction. Our system automatically distributes the dividends to the holder's wallet, as well as creates liquidity and automatic burn per transaction. It's 5% that gets distributed to your wallets. Seek Rewards, the financial community sharing program that will allow users to multiply their BNB on the Binance Smart Chain by 210% over and over again without the need for referrals. And which is unique about the Seek Rewards, it's not relying on people to come in to keep the contract going. They have additional income streams that keeps on boosting the Seek Rewards. Seekgold is a smart contract that provides real-time Binance dividends for deposits. Users earn BNB on the Binance Smart Chain to offset transaction fees in the Seek Rewards contract. Users also use profits to buy more Seekcoin to create more cash flow in the Seek Rewards. Now let's go to my Seek Rewards and see how it's been going, what I'm standing on, and how much profit I'm gonna take. Scrolling down, as you all know, I started with $300 and it's grown because the BNB price has gone up. But look here, since the last time we've done a withdrawal, I've accumulated $45 from my 1% daily. But here's a unique function. I have $200 in referral commission. That means someone had to come in pretty big, around $2,000 to give me that kind of referral income. That means I'll be able to withdraw $245 today, bringing my total income to $353. So I'm already over halfway. So let's take out my rewards, get it in my wallet, and I'm gonna take my rewards and I'm gonna put it into my Seekgold account. As you can see, I got 2 people underneath me. So the last one that came in pretty big, creating opportunity. Let's just refresh the page and we'll see. Connect the wallet, refreshed, and it should show my daily income and referral income to 0. And the total income I've taken out, it's $353. I'm over halfway already. So let's go to the Seek Rewards. Let me just make sure my wallet for the Seekgold one. Go. See my Seekgold wallet. Funds should be in here. There we go. $224 of BNB that's been deposited in here. Now we'll take it over and bring it to my Seekgold. Let's see how much BNB I have available. 0.51. Now I'll put another 0.5 in. Of course, remember, always keep a little bit of BNB for your transaction fees. So let's add 0.5 BNB. Will get me 1,729 more tokens. Click on buy. Confirm the transaction. And this should go right up here, close to the 3,000 tokens. When I started the Seekgold project, This amount was standing around $40,000, so it's been growing. As you can see, I got 0.52 BNB in the contract now to a value of $227. I currently have $1.30 in dividends, which is not enough yet to go and buy more Seek coins. But my accounts are growing. My Seek rewards is growing. I'm getting close to my 100%. Then I need to reactivate it. But all the profits is coming into my Seek Gold Club. And this is growing as well. Have a look at Seekcoin. It has a unique opportunity and it can be profitable by building your own ecosystem or for just holding the coin. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and have a great one.